Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my aloe and rosemary oil. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I will be boiling some water. While my water is boiling, I'm gonna get my aloe vera leaf. After washing it, I'm going to cut it and just get a small portion of it to make my oil today. I'm going to cut this portion in small pieces and transfer it into a small pot. The reason I decided to add aloe vera to make this oil today is because aloe vera can strengthen our hair. Aloe vera contains minerals that can help promote hair growth. So when I decided that I was going to make a natural oil today, I decided why not use aloe vera gel. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing the like button and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. After cutting my aloe vera in small pieces, I'm going to grab my rosemary, which I already washed and let it air dry. And I'm going to be using about 3 to 4 of these leaves and put it into my pot. Next, I'm gonna get my olive oil. You can use your oil of choices, but for me, I decided to use olive oil because olive oil can help fight against any infection your scalp may have. Olive oil also helps with split ends. Olive oil can make our hair soft. So this is why I decided to use olive oil, but you can use one of your favorite oil. And the idea is to pour enough that cover all the rosemary and the aloe vera. Now that water is boiling, I'm going to be doing the double boiling method by placing my pot on top of the water and let it sit there for about 15 or 20 minutes. After 15 or 20 minutes later, you can see how the rosemary and the aloe vera has changed color. This tells me that all the good ingredient has been transferred into the oil. Now I'm going to turn off the fire and let my oil sit and cool off for a few minutes. Once the oil cool off for a few minutes, it's time to strain it. So I'm gonna get a wheat cap, put on the top of my container. At this point, I'm using a measurement cup, and I'm going to transfer the oil over this wheat cap. Next, I'm going to add a few drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil are good for hair growth, and I like the scent of peppermint oil. That's why I decided to add it. Next, I'm going to transfer this into a bottle, and I decided to take this bottle because these are ingredients that's really natural, and it's always good to put them in dark bottles. This can help the oil to last longer. I usually keep this for about a week, maximum 2 weeks, but usually I will use this within a week. Because I try to make different oils, I like to label them. So for today, I'm going to label this, and I know it's always good to do that because it will help you to know when or how long you can use it, because sometimes you might forget, like, when did I make it? Is it still good? So it's always good to label it. Now my oil is ready to be used. So it's moisturizing their hair. So for today, I'm going to use this oil that I just made, and I will be putting this on her hair. If you want to see the whole full video of how I moisturize her hair under this passion twist, I think I already posted a video of how I do it. I usually spray some water and I put some leave-in conditioner, then I will put some oil. But for today, I'm just going to show you the part when I put the oil, and all I'm going to be doing here will be just spraying this on her hair. I ended up changing the top with another top to help me be able to access her scalp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.